whether I will take or not lah.
Some people they just no choice just go on
But then in Penang we have another one, Mula.com.
Starting already.
Yeah, got Mula.com.
Somebody decides to cut
Also like Grab what?
I think only in Penang now.
Only in Penang lah.
KL also got, but not that much.
Starting already lah.
Got one like just for ladies or something or something, isn't it? I saw.
I also forget
Not so
already.
popular.
That one won't pay for ladies.
Special for lady, That one, no, actually got more than 10 other applications.
But maybe they're not so popular lah, no?
Confirm won't last more than 1 year.
It's crazy.
Very bad. Sky is very bad.
Case,
No really nice place.
very normal only.
Very normal. Yeah, the rules have changed. Every time some different. They're not driving.
Mad one, this
Yeah.
one. This traffic is totally crazy one.
Yeah, Selayang.
Not moving already, is it?
Yeah.
Going to Kepong one, going to
yeah,
my
no.
place one. Got another option, you can pay the toll. The problem is you pay the toll also same.
Oh, that's why pay the toll also still jam one.
Yeah, pay money is still jam.
But the jam is caused by police because the police stop.
Really? They shouldn't stop at this time.
No, that's why they purposely stop at this time. They want to release the Jalan Kuching because the way down is Jalan Kuching already.
Oh, Jalan Kuching.
They want to make Jalan Kuching smooth. So I think the Jalan Kuching jam started from Dataran Merdeka all the way until here.
Most in KL, is not recognized anymore.
Bukit Bintang.
It's Westin.
Bukit Bintang.
Yes, it's crazy.
So
It's a
at
Saturday.
one time but Saturday less traffic lah.
Was
Got dinner So
Birthday
what time we should go
dinner.
6 o'clock.
7 o'clock birthday dinner. What time should we go?
Go at 6 lah.
3-4 something.
Alah, crazy lah.
Too early.
Of
Go
course
and,
too
go
early.
and stay in the
Yeah lah.
stay one night.
Might as well book at a hotel
Go at the
there.
hotel and stay one night
Go
there.
downstairs.
Go and stay Airbnb there.
Because the weekend traffic start around between 12 to 3.
12 to 3.
The most high peak time because people just wake up, they wake up already, then around 12 to 3 they get prepare, they go shopping, and then by around 3 to 5 all inside shopping
All good.
so around 6 to
7 they should be going home lah.
yes agak lah majority lah
6 o'clock can lah.
6 o'clock can. Don't care.
6 o'clock can lah.
Yeah, late lah.
Just go eat. Don't eat the first 2 dishes lah.
can also lah.
People invite us are very difficult lah.
Always pick the best location
Actually it's outside. If you're staying in PJ, you should invite people in PJ.
Yeah
Don't
lor.
invite them to KL.
No lah, a bit people feel like wow KL classy
See, KL so
So polluted.
if they say PJ then they say PJ wow what place is that never heard before
Yeah. They usually say never heard before.
they heard before also say what place is this
Yeah.
but PJ Hilton that side also okay
Okay what?
What nice Chinese restaurant there.
Federal Highway side only who don't know that hotel
Not crazy. KL is small lah. KL all places.
I stay very near to KL
Where do you stay?
Kepong
Oh, you stay in Kepong.
Skambut just not that part only
Singapore side.
my Kepong side is exactly next to KL only
Yeah,
like 10
correct.
minutes
Very good location lah, very near to KL. But jam lah.
yeah lah but I never go KL one shopping
I
everything
also don't go KL.
Then KLCC long time I think.
1U I also don't go
I know.
One you
no
very
parking
crazy lah.
no
Ah,
parking